My name is Dwayne Robbins, and this is week 8 final project for FTT111 Fastener Repair Lab. Sorry about the background noise. I did a little bit of this off camera, the measurements and the hole punches. I just wanted to show it. I got it all center lined out. Dimples done. I'm gonna drill it off camera because it's loud. Okay, so I drilled and tapped the holes. We're going to test fit these now to see if they will go in. By hand. Okay, one is in. Okay. Second one is in. And the third hole. All 3 holes. Okay, the first screw I'm gonna do is try to burr it up a little bit. Alright, I got it loosened up enough that I could pull it out by hand. I see it's kind of burred up. Alright, we'll be back.
Fine.
Okay, gonna have to file the top, get rid of the burr. Inside of it. Okay. Inside of it again to make sure it's good. Okay. Okay, I did the sanding and all that on the off the camera. We're gonna see if it goes into the hole a little bit better. Put it in there. Take a screwdriver. And in it goes. Okay, the second type of screw mishap we're going to be working on is cross-threaded one. As you can see, it's already in there and cross-threaded. I'm going to use the proper size screwdriver to get this out. Okay, and then we are going to insert the tap and see if it will work.
Fine.
Okay, now we're gonna use the tap and see if we can tap it back and make it good. Okay, here we go. We're gonna try and screw it in to see if it goes in nice and easily. There we go. Perfect. Okay, and the last one we're going to do is the broken off head. I'm going to do this off camera because it is very loud. I'm going to cut it off and then I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, I have this screw head sheared off. I'm going to do the filing and all that off camera, and then I'll be back to show you what after the filing is done. Alright, if I can get it to focus a little bit, you can see that the filing is done. It is flat, no burrs, and I'll be right back after I get it punched. Okay, I got the hole punched in it. You can see it right there. Alright, I'll be right back after I do the other portion.
Go.
Alright, so I got it all done. I loosened it a little bit already, so we're going to, and I got it loose enough to get out. Okay, we'll see if this will go in easily, and it is going in super good. And there you go. That's the end of the project for the Fastener Repair Lab. The project overall was a learning curve. It wasn't as hard as I thought it would be, but it's an interesting learning experience. Thank you and have a great evening.